Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to add references to a paper in Microsoft Word. First, let's talk about references. References are something that gives a lot of people headaches every day on their academic papers or research papers that they have to turn in. And instructors, teachers, professors always seem to say you're doing it wrong, you're not doing it right, mark off points for it. And I'm trying to make this video to try to help people see that there's a easier, faster way to be able to do this without making errors. If you look on the Microsoft Word, up at the top line I have the pivot right here that says references. When you click on references, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of different things, and everybody usually just goes right to the insert citation, which is good, but you still gotta kind of know what you're doing when you put in the information, and some people get confused by it. When you pull it up, it's just got empty fields that you fill in, but it doesn't always seem to work right, or you put it in the wrong spot and then you'll get marked off. There's another way to do it. Most people never look at this little button right here, and that one is called Researcher. And as it says, when you hover over it, it says, let us help you find quotes, citable sources, and images. When you click on that, it's going to open up this sidebar right here, and it's loading. And what that sidebar will allow you to do is research your paper for citations, for websites, for academic journals, whatever it is that you're looking for, and can help you insert it into your paper automatically. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now, if you look over here to the right, it says research, add sources to a document, and then sources automatically cited, repeat. Well, let me show you how that works, okay? You go right down here into the search engine and you type in whatever you're researching. Let's say it's presidential elections. Oh, it would help if I spell it right, right? So you search that. It uses Bing because this is a Microsoft product. And then you scroll down, you'll see a whole bunch of different sources that you could possibly choose from. And let's say I wanted to choose this one right here, which is presidency.ucsb.edu. Now, if you wanted to see more information about it, you can pull this up and it will give you a little synopsis, tell you who the author is, and tell you different little subsections that they have, and talks about turnout and all like that. Well, let's say this article is one that I actually wanted to use. Okay, so when I go back into it, I just clicked in the wrong spot right there. If you notice right over here to the right, there's a plus button. If you click that plus button, you see it's working. It added that citation to my paper. I didn't have to do anything to it. It's already in the bibliography. So this would be if I was starting to type, I'm going to talk about the presidential elections of 1828, and I have information about voter turnout that I found at blah blah blah, voter turnout in presidential elections 1828 to 2012 by G. Peters. It would insert that into the document where it needs to be, but then at the bottom it would build the bibliography, automatically inserting all the information into APA format, because as you see right up here, I already have my style set as APA. This is this saves people a lot of time and effort. Now, just if anybody wants to know, if you click on that, they have all these different ones, including MLA, which is another popular one they use, but they have all the different formats on there already, and you can also change this instead of being bibliography to references or works cited, depending on whatever it is that you like, whatever style you want, or whatever your teachers want. Well, that was just a short tutorial on how to insert references into your papers, so it can make it easier on you and give you less chances of making errors while you're making your papers and having to send them in and then have to get the grade reduced because you did something wrong. If you like this type of video, please give me a like, a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, thanks.